Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
I should focus more on studying.
I should focus more on studying.
I should go to bed earlier.
I should go to bed earlier.
I should eat more healthy meals.
I should eat more healthy meals.
I should make exercise a daily habit.
I should make exercise a daily habit.
I should drink plenty of water.
I should drink plenty of water.
I should put in more effort.
I should put in more effort.
I should give my parents a call.
I should give my parents a call.
I should complete my schoolwork.
I should complete my schoolwork.
I should try to help people.
I should try to help people.
I should treat others with kindness.
I should treat others with kindness.
I should start saving money.
I should start saving money.
I should spend time with my friends.
I should spend time with my friends.
I should get up early every day.
I should get up early every day.
I should tidy up my room.
I should tidy up my room.
I should write daily in my journal.
I should write daily in my journal.
I should pay close attention.
I should pay close attention.
I should pause and rest when needed.
I should pause and rest when needed.
I should keep a positive mindset.
I should keep a positive mindset.
I should show respect to everyone.
I should show respect to everyone.
I should always give my full effort.
I should always give my full effort.
I should correct my errors.
I should correct my errors.
I should obey the rules.
I should obey the rules.
I should stay away from junk food.
I should stay away from junk food.
I should care for my body and mind.
I should care for my body and mind.
I should focus on my personal goals.
I should focus on my personal goals.
I should believe in myself more.
I should believe in myself more.
I should honor my commitments.
I should honor my commitments.
I should share what I have.
I should share what I have.
I should stand by my friends.
I should stand by my friends.
I should accept my responsibilities.
I should accept my responsibilities.
I should push myself to do better.
I should push myself to do better.
I should plan my schedule wisely.
I should plan my schedule wisely.
I should enjoy life's small moments.
I should enjoy life's small moments.
I should stop wasting my time.
I should stop wasting my time.
I should speak and act honestly.
I should speak and act honestly.
I should value my teachers.
I should value my teachers.
I should reuse and recycle.
I should reuse and recycle.
I should keep trying and not quit.
I should keep trying and not quit.
I should work on improving myself.
I should work on improving myself.
I should try to uplift others.
I should try to uplift others.
I should smile more often.
I should smile more often.
I should enjoy the beauty of nature.
I should enjoy the beauty of nature.
I should support people in need.
I should support people in need.
I should be a good team member.
I should be a good team member.
I should prepare for the future.
I should prepare for the future.
I should listen to older people.
I should listen to older people.
I should stay away from arguments.
I should stay away from arguments.
I should keep myself clean and healthy.
I should keep myself clean and healthy.
I should handle my finances well.
I should handle my finances well.
I should give time to volunteering.
I should give time to volunteering.
I should watch and learn from others.
I should watch and learn from others.
I should say sorry without delay.
I should say sorry without delay.
I should eat my meals on time.
I should eat my meals on time.
I should plan my day with a checklist.
I should plan my day with a checklist.
I should learn basic cooking skills.
I should learn basic cooking skills.
I should avoid talking behind others' backs.
I should avoid talking behind others' backs.
I should say good things to my friends.
I should say good things to my friends.
I should get outside and enjoy fresh air.
I should get outside and enjoy fresh air.
I should maintain a work-life balance.
I should maintain a work-life balance.
I should listen to uplifting music.
I should listen to uplifting music.
I should try to write better.
I should try to write better.
I should face challenges with courage.
I should face challenges with courage.
I should use polite words with others.
I should use polite words with others.
I should turn off screens before bedtime.
I should turn off screens before bedtime.
I should follow a healthy routine.
I should follow a healthy routine.
I should be more patient with others.
I should be more patient with others.
I should control my temper.
I should control my temper.
I should stay neat and presentable.
I should stay neat and presentable. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.